Hi, I'm Kaliana, and I want to talk to you about why you would like to use our emotional care kits. Our kits were created to provide you 4 easy-to-use products to help you take charge of your emotions both quickly and deeply. The reason we wanted to give you both quick and deep acting support is to help address the many layers that come with emotions. For instance, we give you our quick acting mist so that you have in-the-moment support to help turn your day around. We also include our deep release oils because these work for long-acting support as well as to help support your immune system and also the beauty and radiance of your skin. And then they also include our beverage boosters, which are like vitamins for your emotions. And the goal of those is to help you feel more in balance and to give you more energy. Because see, stress affects a lot of things in your system, not just the way your emotions feel. They affect your immune system, it affects the beauty and radiance of your skin, and it affects how much energy you have. So our goal by providing these different applications is to help you have the many layers addressed and simultaneously help support all those other systems that are being challenged. Our emotional care kits are a holistic approach to go after the different aspects of your emotions to get to the root of these deeper emotions and help give you the power to turn them around. Try our kits today and receive free shipping. I guarantee this level of emotional support is going to make a difference in your day and the way you feel.